I my chief video. I would like to video everything that is happening now. We are called. This is the street. Everybody's in the street. This is just going inside the house.
Where are you running? What?
Take your things.
How can you be saying that?
Please, I will be videoing this, please, on the instruction of Mr. Charles.
No, don't talk to them. They're not in
Charles, are you taking your thing?
I'm taking my thing. No, don't want anybody.
Is your bags open?
This bag is almost empty. So, that'll be. My bag is almost empty. That's what key.
We are taking this video on the instruction of Mr. Charles openly to come and witness whatever he's doing in front of his house. We watch the street. These are the bags.
I came here yesterday when I was at
That's just being witness to everything. We are watching the wife. She's videoing us. She's taking the video to all of us.
To me. So that's
what they want to do.
This is him. Look at the three of them. So
that's the wife, that's the streets. Everything is going on fine.
Yeah, the supporters. Look at them. Look at them.
Just be quick and get whatever you want to get and let us go.
And he's just opening the bag because I'm not doing the key.
That's how to come to the streets. That's where everything you need to know here.
What's the man inside is television and just opening the bag now because I'm not the key. Okay, Brigadier. Yeah, just not online. I'm sure they are running, but I told them not to disturb it.
Just the bag was open when you came.
It was open. With it. By it was open. It's empty. It was filled up. It's empty.
You are too small to be asking me what you are doing. I'm older
small,
to be your
God
father.
is with me.
Look at how they put
A
my
small girl
passport.
with a big God. A small girl with a big God.
My passport.
I send you a voice. I think I send you a voice.
No.
What
voice?
Listen to that voice because if you are yesterday we talk and you see what happened.
Can you happen?
Hold on. Because no, I don't want to be talking again. Chelo.
Is it missing?
Hold on. Because Chelo, this is also. Yesterday night, I sent you and sent to your wife.
You don't have the key, but the bag is already open.
Yeah, he said.
Just listen to this lady. His voice.
Charles, could you bring
Charlie,
those things this side? Could you bring those things out here?
You see the Lord Charlie for police. Is it not known for police? No, listen to this and see how he makes call police for me. Police will come and arrest me. No, because I don't want to talk with anybody. Don't want to listen to me. If you feel that you come and intimidate me, get out of this compound. Yes, I'm talking to you and I'm going to talk to you. I send you a voice. You don't want to listen. But go no. We're telling that's urgent.
Take what you want to take to leave. We live here.
Mark my word. Anybody that supported this marriage will be scattered.
Excuse me.
I don't want
Madam.
only half over from now to 3 months. Madam, when she back to me.
Madam, because they got into here.
No, listen to your voice. Charlie called police for me. Why? Why will he call police for me? Police is just there. We said, why will he call police? He said he want to leave. If you want to leave, leave.
Get what you should get. And let's go.
Oh, yeah.
You don't do that to my family. Get out of this place.
Listen. If you damage my phone,
If you try it, this is my compound.
you can't touch my phone. This is the road. You have no right to do anything here.
No, don't come.
You have no right to do anything here.
Get out of this place.
I'm allowed to stand on the road.
Get out of my compound. You deceiver.
But you can't do anything.
Why? It is in here.
You will pay for whatever you do now. Please be careful. I'm videoing everything. I'm videoing everything.
Madam.
Get out of this place.